How to play YouTube music in background. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you the simple way to play YouTube music in background without using any third-party apps. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First thing first, you have to tap and hold the YouTube app and then select the I button. This will let you access to the app info page of YouTube where you have to simply select Open by Default option and you need to toggle on the button of Open Supported Links. Once you have done that, you need to exit from YouTube and open any browser of your choice. For now, I am opening the Chrome browser and let's open the web version of YouTube. For that, on the search bar, you need to type in youtube.com and log into your account on YouTube. Once you get access to the web version of YouTube, you need to scroll all the way down and search for the music that you want to play on background. So simply open it. So once you open the music as well, you can simply tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and or else before that, let's come back from this page and then you need to open the desktop site of YouTube. You can easily tap on three dots at the top right corner and select the desktop site. So as you can see that we already have opened it. Now simply exit from the site, and when you scroll towards your notification panel, so as you can see that we have successfully played YouTube music in background. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.